if you see here, the first one here is term number 1, and it will have 4 cubes. For term number 2, we have the original 4 plus these 3 extra on the sides. So there's 7 total. For term number 3, right, we have the same thing here. We have the 7 plus another 3, right? So that would be 10. So the pattern here is going to be adding 3 cubes each time, right, to the figure. So if I'm going to then predict what term number 6 is going to be, right, let's see what we can say based off the term numbers here, right? We're starting from 1 and then we go to 4, right? So we can say this is 1 times 3 plus 1. Here we have 2 times 3 plus 1, that's 7. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So we can say we're adding 3 each time to the term value, or we can say that it's going to be then the term number times 3 plus 1. So this could be the pattern that gives out this value here. So that means for term 6, we have 6 times 3 plus 1, right? 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19.